Welcome back, everyone. This is episode 4 of our series, The Big Beautiful Bill, What It Means for Taxpayers. We've already covered changes to tax brackets, child tax credits, retirement savings, and small business deductions. But today we're diving into the hidden gems of this new legislation. Tax breaks for caregivers, benefits for gig workers, and new support for renters. These aren't getting as much media attention, but they could mean real money back in your pocket. Let's break it down. Let's start with caregivers. The unsung heroes taking care of aging parents, children with special needs, or other dependents. Under the Big Beautiful Bill, there's a new family care credit of up to $2,500 for eligible caregivers. Covers expenses like home care, transportation, medical supplies, respite care. Credit phases out for higher incomes, but many middle-class households qualify. Why this matters: caregivers often spend thousands of dollars a year out of pocket. And this credit helps ease that financial burden and recognize the value of care work. Next up, gig workers. That includes Uber, Lyft drivers, freelancers, online sellers, content creators, and anyone with 1099 income. Here's what's new for you. Business expense thresholds are more generous. New automatic 20% QBI deduction eligibility for more gig platforms. IRS safe harbor rules have been clarified for part-time and hybrid gig workers. You can now deduct health insurance premiums more easily if self-employed. Translation: more deductions, fewer complications, and bigger savings at tax time. Now let's talk about renters, a group that's often left out of tax breaks. The Big Beautiful Bill introduces a renter's relief credit, up to $1,200 a year for low and moderate income renters, based on how much of your income goes to rent. Must meet residency and income requirements. Applies even if you don't itemize deductions. This is huge, especially for renters in high-cost cities. It's a rare win that can put real money back in your hands. To qualify for these benefits, keep detailed records. BC, caregiving costs, receipts, mileage logs. Use tools like Schedule C, Form 8995, and Form 2441 if applicable. Watch for IRS guidance in early 2025. And consider using a tax professional. Remember, these credits are refundable or partially refundable, which means even if you owe no tax, you could still get money back. Here's the big takeaway from episode 4. The Big Beautiful Bill isn't just for big corporations or high-income earners. It includes real support for everyday people: parents, gig workers, caregivers, renters. But here's the thing, most of these are opt-in benefits. You have to know about them and claim them on your return. So don't leave money on the table. In our next episode, we'll talk about how the Big Beautiful Bill affects tax filing requirements, audit risk, and some of the compliance changes every taxpayer should know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Drop a comment. Are you a caregiver, gig worker, or renter? Which of these new tax breaks might help you most? Stay informed, stay empowered. And as always, make it work for you.